Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask out of a kippah. I happen to have a whole stack of kippahs left over from my son's bar mitzvah, and today we're going to put them to some good use. The nice thing about these are that they are lined. So there's cotton on the inside, and this is what will touch your face. And if you notice, if you flip your kippah inside out, a lot of them have this little button slot. It looks like a button slot, but really what it is a way to attach a kippah to a man's head. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use that first one and we're gonna make a second slit right here. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. And the nice thing about it is that it does not need to be perfect. You just want to try to be a little careful if you're using something sharp that you only go through the white fabric and not the blue. And to start it, I use a really sharp pair of scissors, but then I can go ahead and just get my regular scissors in there and make a nice little slit. And you can see now that this is where we're going to put the elastic. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. We don't have the button slot on this side, but that's okay, because now we know we can make it. So we're make a little hole, and another little hole, and now we can get our scissors in there and cut. Okay, so now we have our 4 holes cut, and we're going to take that piece of elastic, and if you don't have elastic, you can always cut up an ace bandage. You can take elastic out of old pairs of pants. You could use headbands, the elastic headbands that they sell at the dollar store. You could connect rubber bands, which are not as comfortable, but if that's all you have, that works great. Or you can just tie some ribbon that doesn't stretch and tie it at the back of your head. So now we're gonna take the elastic and we're just gonna slide it through those 2 slits and tie it. You wanna tie it twice so that it stays, doesn't fall off. Now I find if you wanna keep this really tight, you take the 2 loose ends and the 2 connected ends and you pull them together as tightly as you can, and that makes a really strong knot. So now we're gonna do the other side as well. We're gonna put it through the 2 holes, and we're going to tie twice. And then we're gonna hold these 2 sides and these 2 sides, and we're gonna pull. And that makes a really tight knot. And now you can just go ahead and put this, attach these to your ears, and you've got yourself a mask.